Hello, my name is Dale, and in this video I want to talk to you about restoring your Windows Vista Emachine back to factory settings. Now, once you hit that power button, you want to start hitting F8 continuously. Now, here's a caveat. The monitor I had it hooked up to was an Acer. It was a bigger screen, and I could not get to the settings to hit recovery. And so what I did was I went back and got the original monitor that came with it, and I hooked it up to that, and then I was able to see the settings pop up. Now, I don't know if it was the VGA or whatever, but actually there's a screen before this. I forgot to screenshot it, and it asks you, do you want to go into safe modes or different modes? But I hit the recovery mode. And so now this is the second screen. So under this particular one is different restores you have here. I hit the recovery manager. After that, and you come up with this particular screen. Then I hit full factory recovery. Now in this, once I hit that, this particular screen came up, I actually only had the reformatting the Windows partition of your hard disk drive, and then once it started progressing, it automatically checked the recovery system. So I don't know if you need to check it right away, but both of them end up being checked there. And then once it goes all the way through the progression, then it's going to come back to a screen that asks you, do you want to shut down or restart? And so I just basically hit the restart, and once I hit the restart, it started going back through the setup, and it's like 44 items that it had to load back on. So it took about a good 30 minutes at max, and so it's starting to go back to the factory setting where you set up and put your name in and all that. But so if you're trying to sell it, this is the best way to do that. Wipe everything off clean. So hope this helped. And once again, this was my Emachine W3611, and it ran Windows Vista. So if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.